Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of your YouTube videos buffering every few seconds, in this video we'll show you how to fix that issue on any of your phone. So let's just get started within just some simple steps. So the first thing we can do is we can go ahead and look out for our network connection. Go to settings for that, open it up, and you can go over to your connections option. And from here, you can try switching up your Wi-Fi and your mobile data and see that. If that doesn't work, you can reset your network connection as well. Go to the search at the top, and from there, you can type in network, and you can just go ahead and look out for reset network settings and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can tap on reset network settings and go ahead and reset your network totally on your device and connect your Wi-Fi again and go to YouTube and see if that fixes the video buffering issue on your device or not. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and clear cache on our device for YouTube. So go to settings for that, or you can hold the YouTube application. Once you do so, you can go over to the info section at the top. And from there, you can just go over and scroll down and go to storage option and go ahead and tap on it. Once you do so, you can tap on clear cache option. And once you clear the cache of YouTube, you can reopen the YouTube and try playing the video again that was currently having the issue for you. And do not worry, this will not delete your videos or history, just the temporary files. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go to YouTube application itself, and if your network's slow, you can reduce the video quality for smoother playbacks. So for that, what you can do is you can go to a video, for example, this video right here, and go to the settings option at the top. From here, go to quality and tap on it. And from quality, you can select the option for data saver, or you can just go over choose a lower quality video quality. When you do that, it will stabilize the video, and once the connection stabilizes, you can switch it back to HD video that you're trying to look for. And that is it. Also try updating the application itself. You can go over and go to Play Store, and from there you can go to the search and go ahead and search for YouTube at the top. And once you search for YouTube, you can go ahead and look out for the update option if there is update available. And then go ahead and update your application to the latest version, and that should work out for you. So therefore, you can try out the solutions to fix the YouTube buffering. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.